Hello students, welcome to me to maths classes. Your question is, find n if the ratio of the fifth term from beginning to the ratio to the fifth term from end in this expansion is root 6 is to 1. So you are given the ratio of fifth term and fifth term from end is root 6 is to 1. So first of all we are going to find our fifth term from beginning and fifth term from end. Now your expansion is x plus y raised to power n is square root of 4 fourth root of 2 plus 1 upon fourth root of 3 raised to power n. Okay, now so the total number of terms will become total number of terms are n plus 1. Now fifth term from beginning will be equals to T5 and T5 can be written as T4 plus 1. Now T4 plus 1 is according to the general term of your expression, that is NC4, take R is equals to 4, x raised to power n minus 4 and y raised to power, y is 1 upon fourth root of 3 raised to power 4, and that is equals to fifth term is equals to NC4 and fourth root of 2 can be written as t raised to power 2 raised to power n minus 4 upon 4, and fourth root का अगर आप 4 raised to power लेंगे then it will cancel out and you are left with 1 upon 3. So this is your fifth term, take it as 1. Now we are going to calculate fifth term from and also. So fifth term from and will be total number of terms is n plus 1. उसके अंदर से आप 5 माइनस करके 1 ऐड करेंगे and that will be equals to t n minus 3. And t n minus 3 can be written as आपका r आप क्या लेंगे t n minus 3 में n minus 4 plus 1 लिख सकते हैं. So you are going to take this time r is equals to n minus 4. तो आपका ये वाला टर्म कैसे लिखा जाएगा, n c r is n minus 4 here, n minus 4 x raised to power x is fourth root of 2 raised to power n minus r and y raised to power y is 1 upon fourth root of 3 raised to power r. So this can be written as n minus third term can be written as nc n minus 4 and n will cancel out and you are left with 4. So fourth root of 2 raised to power 4 and this can be written as 1 upon 3 raised to power n minus 4 upon 4. Okay, and this can be written as nc n minus 4, fourth root of 2 का fourth power लेंगे then it will you are left with 2 only, and this is n minus 4 upon 4. So this is your fifth term from and. Now according to the question you are given that fifth term from starting and fifth term from and का ratio is root 6 is to 1. तो आप अगर इसको यूज करते हैं then that will must imply that NC4 2 raised to power n minus 4 upon 4 into 1 by 3 upon NCn minus 4 into 2 into 1 upon 3 raised to power n minus 4 upon 4 is equals to root 6 is to 1. Now we know that NCR is equals to NCn minus R. So this can be cancelled out. अगर आप इनकी पावर्स कंबाइन करते हैं देन यू विल गेट, ये पावर आपकी -1 हो जाएगी, 2 रेज़ टू पावर n माइनस 4 अपॉन 4 -1. ओके, और इसकी पावर भी अगर आप कंबाइन करते हैं तो ये डिनोमिनेटर का डिनोमिनेटर विल बिकम न्यूमरेटर n माइनस 4 अपॉन 4 -1. ओके, एंड दैट इज इक्वल्स टू रूट 6. Okay, so this will become 2 into 3 6 raised to power 4. अगर आप कंबाइन करेंगे then you will get n minus 4 minus 4, तो n minus 8 upon 4. Okay, this is equals to 6 raised to power half. If the suffix are same then powers can be equated. So n minus 8 upon 4 is equals to 1 by 2, and that must implies that n minus 8 must be equals to 2, and that implies that n is equals to 10.